How to create a poll on Facebook page. Now, let's say you want to create a poll and have your followers vote on that specific poll. All you have to do to create that specific poll on your Facebook page is to tap on your main menu right here and then tap on this arrow down button right here. Now, all you have to do is to click on your Facebook page in order for you to switch on that. And once you switch on your specific Facebook page, all you have to do is to tap on what's on your mind right here. Now, the next thing to do is to scroll down until you find this selection that says poll right here. You just have to click on that. And now you can create a poll and add option to it by tapping on option 1 and option 2. Now you can specify what kind of option they're going to vote on. Let's say there. You can also add another poll option right here. But once you're done, all you have to do is to tap on done right here. And now you can ask a question so that they can vote on your specific poll. Right there. Now once you're done creating your poll on your Facebook page, all you have to do is to tap on post right here and wait for it to upload. After it's uploaded, all your followers will be able to see it and vote them on. So that's how to create a poll on Facebook page. Hope you help.